Greetings, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the captivating story of why countries around the world are in a frenzied rush to conquer the final frontier, space. But before we launch into the intriguing details, make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Let's blast off. The cosmic saga we're about to explore began as a direct consequence of the Cold War rivalry between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. Picture this. It's the aftermath of World War II, and tensions are high. As the world caught its breath, these two giants set their sights on an entirely new arena for competition: space. The space race was ignited by the need to assert dominance and prove technological prowess. It was an era when every achievement had strategic implications, and no stone was left unturned in the quest for supremacy. Fasten your seatbelts as we journey through some of the most pivotal moments in the space race. Did you know that the USSR's successful launch of Sputnik 1 on October 5, 1957, marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration? A mere 4 years later, the Soviet Union once again captured the world's attention by sending Yuri Gagarin, a human, into space, showcasing their remarkable technological advancement. The United States couldn't let this slide. In response, they poured their resources into their space program, leading to remarkable achievements like the Apollo 11 mission, which in 1969 placed Neil Armstrong on the moon, captivating an estimated 650 million television viewers worldwide. As awe-inspiring as these milestones were, there's more to the story. The motivations driving this race were as complex as they were political. It was about power, it was about proving one's technological might, and it was about winning the hearts and minds of people around the globe. The Cold War era was characterized by a constant struggle for influence, and the space race became a symbol of that struggle. During the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union collectively spent over $20 billion, adjusted for inflation, on space programs, showcasing the immense value they placed on space dominance. But as history often shows, eras come to an end, and so did the Cold War. With the collapse of the Soviet Union and the end of the intense rivalry, the focus on space exploration underwent a dramatic shift. In the post-Cold War era, a new spirit of collaboration emerged. Did you know that more than 30 nations have contributed to the International Space Station, or ISS, representing a testament to humanity's ability to work together in space? This shift marked a transition from a divided world into one where cooperation in space exploration became not just desirable, but essential. Now, let's explore a crucial aspect driving the contemporary space race: space control. Beyond exploration and discovery, space has become a strategic battleground for modern warfare and technological supremacy. Consider this. Today, satellites play a pivotal role in global communication, navigation, surveillance, and more. Did you know that over 2,000 active satellites currently orbit Earth, with approximately 30% belonging to the United States? These satellites are essential for modern life and are at the heart of space control efforts. As we venture deeper into space, let's decipher the significance of orbital zones. Space isn't just vast emptiness. It's divided into zones with distinct roles and functions. Starting closest to Earth, we have the low Earth orbit, or LEO, where satellites such as Starlink provide high-speed internet access. Did you know that the cost of launching payloads into LEO has decreased by over 80% since the days of the Apollo missions, thanks to innovations by companies like SpaceX? Now, let's shift our focus to the moon, a celestial treasure trove of resources that could reshape humanity's relationship with space. Imagine harnessing the power of water, ice, helium-3, and rare earth elements right from our lunar neighbor. Water ice, found on the moon's south pole, isn't just water. It's life-sustaining hydrogen and oxygen. Did you know that 1 metric ton of water ice can produce the equivalent of over 30 tons of rocket fuel? This transforms the moon into a potential refueling station for deep space missions. Furthermore, helium-3, abundant on the moon's surface, holds the potential to unlock clean, limitless fusion energy. This is a game changer for energy sustainability and independence. With estimated reserves on the moon capable of meeting Earth's energy demands for centuries. Adding to the moon's allure, rare earth elements, which play a pivotal role in modern technology, are more accessible on the lunar surface. Imagine a future where lunar resources power Earth's technological advancements. The moon isn't just an enigma, it's a destination that nations are ambitiously vying to conquer. From India and China to Russia, Japan, and the United States, an international moon rush is underway. China has unveiled plans for a crewed lunar base by the 2030s. The United States is gearing up for a return to the moon, targeting the South Pole. And India, a rising space power, made a stellar landing on the moon's south polar region in 2019 with its Chandrayaan-2 mission, showcasing its potential to be a major lunar player. The race to the moon isn't just about individual missions. It's about building a robust space industry ecosystem. Enter private space companies, research initiatives, and government policies shaping the future of space exploration. Companies like SpaceX have revolutionized the cost of space travel, reducing it by over 80%. But it's not just about launches. It's about nurturing research, development, and innovation. In this era, governments play a pivotal role in creating policies that encourage space entrepreneurship and provide the groundwork for space dominance. As we conclude this chapter of our cosmic journey, remember that the quest for space isn't just a technological marvel, it's a testament to human ambition, collaboration, and innovation. In our next episode, we'll delve into the complexities of space geopolitics and how every celestial move has strategic implications for Earth. Until then, keep exploring the universe within and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enthralling space revelations. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic expedition. Signing off from the cosmos. Catch you in our upcoming episodes.